Hi, FlowExtract API here. I create a custom web scraper for scraping data from different websites. In this video, I will explain about uh, one of my actor, which is a Facebook ad scraper, like how to scrape a Facebook ad without getting the data manually. So basically, you go to this. I'm gonna put my link of my actor in the bio, but let's go get started. No, not get started. View actor and go to the add the scraper bar or section. And if you want to read document, let's or go directly to the platform or my actor. So basically, the actor is existing in Apify platform, which is a website for scraping data from different websites like TikTok, Google Map, Instagram, like different websites. So let's see, or you go to Apify and search for Facebook ad, and so this is my actor, which is cheaper than anyone in the platform and efficient. Okay, so basically either click on this actor, which is mine, or go to paper event, choose my actor, choose right. Okay, I'm gonna update the README after I finish the this video. So you need to have an account in Apify. It is free, and Apify platform give you $5 every month, so you can scrape thousand of results. Okay, try it for free. Okay, so let's, this is the actor. I suggest you to read about it. Like, one, go to the pricing. What is the pricing? What is it pricing? Okay, the pricing. Okay, there's no section in the pricing. You can see the pricing in here. Like, okay. So basically, the free tier gets 0.60 $1,000 thousand oh my god thousand result for $0.60. It's cheaper than the competitive. And if you have a subscription, you pay for amount of based on your subscription, and based on your subscription, higher of subscription, lower the cost. And that's it. And if you run it in standby mode, which is like a server, you pay for the cost of the users. But I suggest you to run it as normal. So let's test it. So you go to the Facebook ad library and search, either like enter the keyword like what you want. I'm gonna go to the like search for the keyword, or search for advertiser, like a specific advertiser. I'm gonna show you what I mean about advertiser. This keyword, like either like go to the Meta Facebook ad library and search and put the your filter, or you can add filter in here, like filter in here. Facebook, Instagram. So basically, this filter is let me show this. This filter, I put it and map it in here. Okay, but and if you don't want to use this filter, remove it and put your filter in here. Let's say English. Uh, okay, and copy the URL and put it in here. No, not here. The URL section in here and put multiple URL as you like. So let's search for another keyword Sony. Sorry, let's see. Sorry, and copy it, paste it in here, or you want specific advertiser. This mean like what is advertiser? Like copy this one. So basically, it's search for a specific advertiser and put it in here. Or you can put the number of ad, which is view all ads. So basically, Sony like this keyword equal to this. But okay, and the specific like put the number of results you want. Let's say 11, and so basically the URL control for um, like the filter when you put like the filter all or filter language all. So basically you control search keyword and search advertiser. You don't control for the specific URL like, and the filter apply only for the search keyword and search advertiser for this specific filtering. The the URL section control his filter by URL obviously. So let's test it. But before we test it, I want to integrate it with my my Gmail. Like I want to send this result with my Gmail in integration. Let's go search for not search for Google Drive. Okay, I'm gonna connect my Google Drive. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna hide my email, but I want the results with the SVG. I don't want it as a JSON, so I can analyze it with the Google Sheet and name it. Let's see, I don't know, test, and you can put the title and description. But this is just a test, and you can. I want only put the run success, but I want to put the results. Run created. What is it? Abort success. Yeah, I don't. I want only the send the run the success, like the result, and that's it. What is this? I don't care about the field. Okay, save. So the integration is like when the scraper end, it will send the data in the Google Drive. So let's test it. Okay, and all good, all good. So let's test start. So basically, as I told you, Apify give you $5 every month, and It's give you a lot of data to play with it and analyze it even. So all the data. Okay, let's see if the it's finished. He did not find anything in the specific Sony and because why? Because there is no ad. Yeah, it only did not find any data from here or from here. It only found the data from the URL. Okay, and he gave me 11, which is yeah 11. And let's go to my drive and see the data. Give me a moment. And this is the data. So I will, okay, I will open it as Google Sheets, or you can explore the data as normal, like export, and choose the format. And you need to make sure that you put all fields and choose. Like, let's see what's this. Okay, it's not clean as JSON. I like JSON. This more like it. Okay, so this is the data in Google Sheets, and this is data you can download it and copy. You can share the link with your friend or your team, and that's it. Preview. To take. No, change my mind. Not preview in the. So if you have a feature you want to request it or any improvement you need it in the this scraper, you might want reach out to me in my what is it information. Go down. You can see you can reach out to me in the email. And if the actor was benefit for you, so I will appreciate if you leave a review, a good review, I hope. Okay, I'm done here. Peace.